Hi, my name is Mitch with lunchbreakers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to search a restaurant in Houston, Texas using lunchbreakers.com. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to enter in a zip code. I'm going to use 77025, which is a zip code in Houston, Texas. If you'd like, you could search within a 10, 25, 50, 100, and 250 mile radius. But we're going to go ahead and stick with a 10-mile radius for now. There are two fields that are required. That's the zip code and the state field. The other fields are optional. So we're going to select Texas. Now, if you wanted to, you could enter the city. You could enter the name of the restaurant. And if you'd like, you could select a category. There are various categories of restaurants that you can choose from. But we're going to go ahead and stick with the zip code and state for now. By clicking on search restaurants, that'll pull up your results. There's a maximum of 10 pages and 100 restaurant results. As you can see here, it says 0 miles. That's the proximity from the zip code that you entered. As you can see, if we were to, let's click on page 9, you would see that the proximity would go up. Here it's 2.13 miles. It goes up the further the pages are that you select, because that's the distance from the zip code that you entered. So all of the restaurants that are displayed here are all displayed based on their proximity from the zip code. Now, for instance, let's say you wanted to get some more specific information on a specific restaurant. Let's say Benji's restaurant. You could select the restaurant by clicking on the link. This would pull up the name of the restaurant, the address, the distance, and the telephone number. But it also pulls up a Google map, which is fully functional, allowing you to move the map around and see the area. It also allows you to see a satellite view of the area that the restaurant is in. And it also has the option of showing you a hybrid map, which is a combination of the two. If you'd like to, you could print the results as well. We'll go back. If you wanted to read and write restaurant reviews on Benji's restaurant, you could simply click on Read and Write Reviews. This will pull up the restaurant reviews page. If there were any on Benji's, they would be located here, but there currently aren't any reviews at this time. If you wanted to share the reviews, you could just simply go to share, and then it brings up programs that you can send the restaurant review to. For instance, there's Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, Google, Yahoo, MyWeb, Fark, and so on and so forth. By clicking on these links, you could share the restaurant reviews with people that were using those programs. Let me just take you through a quick little process of submitting a review. You click on Submit a Review, and this page is where you would actually submit your review. You have 5 stars, 5 being the best, and that's the star rating that you can give that restaurant. It goes from 5 to 4.5 down to 4, and so on and so forth. You'd enter a title for your review, and this content box is where you would enter the actual content in your review, what you have to say about it, your name, and your location. And to submit your review, you would simply click on Preview Your Review, and that would be submitting your review to lunchbreakers.com. Go ahead and go back here. And essentially, that's it. You can search a restaurant in Houston, Texas using lunchbreakers.com. You can read and write reviews. And that's it. So thank you very much. And thank you for using lunchbreakers.com.